Back again for more. A quick rock climbing session in, and now we are going to keep working on this application. All right, so what we have here, let's go ahead and fire this up. And just to go over what we've got so far, so all the data is storing fine when we go to create a portfolio. The one thing I need to do now that I think about it, I need to make sure that the user only has 3 portfolios. So I'm gonna have to do a quick validation for that. But then everything is saving properly in the MySQL database. You can see that here. If we look at the users we created, all the stocks, this is just from earlier testing. There's a problem here, but everything else now is going through Y Finance, getting the proper name. That's all working properly. The data is getting stored very clean. I guess I could store this as uppercase, but I think it's fine. We've got the portfolio stocks, the many-to-many relationship. That's working fine. And then if we want to, the way we'll display the data is by using a left join from portfolios, use the many-to-manys table, and then join the stock IDs at the end, which has all the tickers and the names. So should be fine, but I do need to make sure the user only has 3 portfolios. Just the way I want to set it up, and then that way they aren't making a ton of extra portfolios. So just need to do some quick validation with that. But other than that, everything is clean, working. And what I want to do today is get these to display. That's the goal today. And then add delete properties. And then I'll get to the point of actually doing more of the real calculating to get what we want to display. All right. I want these routes to be super clean. So I'm going to move all of this functionality away from the route and just into I'm going to use this helpers.py and then also the models, mainly stock and portfolio. So what I want to do is I'm going to have to actually, the way I should do it is if the user, I actually should do this on when they go to do I still have the web page? Yeah, I'd rather have it so they land, oops. This is the landing page when you come in. I'd like if I click here and route here. So I'm going to change this. I'm going to put a thing inside of this route saying you already have 3 portfolios. Please delete whatever. I think that'll be super easy. Well, I say that, but then I get there and it doesn't work that way. All right, portfolio is new, so it's rendering template. So what I want to do is basically something like, or actually I could have it route them back. Maybe it's better if they try and go here, create portfolio, it routes them back to here and puts a message. I think that's what we'll do. So, and I'm going to need to make a function to validate. Let's just do that in here. So basically what I'm going to do is I can do a group by, and if length greater than or equal to 3, actually I can just pull from here, I guess. Well, probably just cleaner to make a separate class method first. So I feel like way too okay. I don't know. we'll just call it too many portfolios. And we are going to do that. We're going to pass some data in. We are going to query. You're going to select star from portfolios where user ID is equal to user ID s group by. Oh, wait. Actually, I guess the better way to do this, why don't I just test it inside of SQL, the SQL workbench. Whoa. Perfect. Yeah, so then I can just do, this should work fine. So then if length, so we'll run the query. We'll do results equals to SQL CLSFDB query and data, and then if length of results greater than or equal to 3, return true. So in here we would do if and we would just pass in the all I need is the user ID. If portfolio session user ID equal to true, then we are going to return, we're going to redirect to the portfolios page. Oops. And we'll go ahead and just do the got Flash, and then on portfolios.html. Okay, let's give it a shot, see if it works. I think, don't do that. I think Peter Parker has 3 portfolios. If not, we will add another one. No, he only has 1. Okay, so perfect. Actually, this is even better. So let's test it. Create port. Oh. Oh, I didn't save it. That is right, though. Yeah, user ID. Yeah, that's my bad. Try that again. Wait. Oh, gosh, I didn't even do the whole. Gonna need the dot that. All right. Now we should be good to go. Nope. It should. Let's try this again. But there should be one result. Did I put something in wrong here? Or maybe. Oh. I didn't make a data dictionary. There we go. Okay. Moved a little too fast there. And then, yes, okay, we got that back as our result. So perfect. Okay, so obviously it's going to let us create two more, or should. Peter, Spider-Man. Let's just do a bunch of. I feel like there's only like 5 banks now. Okay. Listen to teacher. All right. Okay, so that one created. Good. We'll do one more. I feel like that's a Spider-Man bad guy. Let's do. Oh, not GMGD. General Dynamics. XAR. I already don't like how slow the API is working, but all right, let's make sure real quickly that we've got great 3 portfolios. Now the next one, it should not allow us to create. Perfect. Can clean that up, but awesome. All right, so now we don't have that issue. For now, I have a feeling it might be an issue when I go. Well, no, when I delete each. I've debated to having this. So this is supposed to take you in, and then you can check what, or you can add. That's easy. And then for delete, it has like checkboxes by each one. I've thought about putting a delete all, but it just seems so like easy to click, and then your whole portfolio is gone. And yeah, it's kind of annoying to have to like delete each one, but I feel like it's better for the user. I could always make it like, are you sure you want to delete all? But we'll see if we want to add all that functionality or not. But okay, cool. This works. Let me just center that so it looks a little cleaner real quick. And we can get rid of this. Let's pop this in like a. Oh, it's already in a p tag. Why isn't that centered? Oops. Ooh, I don't know if I'm passing. Oh yeah, okay, I think we're good. And where is that? Oh. Maybe I should put this in here. Yeah, JS Center. Maybe I shouldn't have to do align items. I don't think that would make any sense, but also it's very possible that text align center would be justify content, but I just can't imagine that's necessary. Or would it be justify self? That's exactly why I don't like. I'm sure this is super simple and I just have no idea. I don't really understand that because it's just a p tag. Takes up the whole space. Let me see if this is even going through. That may be why. Oh, that's why. Okay, the CSS isn't going through. Thought that seemed a little odd. I'm guessing it's because I didn't use the that whole URL for thing. Okay, I think that'll work. Ay. I think I have to do static / CSS. Well, definitely not that. Or do I have to do that? Oh, okay, there we go. Jeez. I don't like the red though. I feel like the red's a little too annoying. Okay, great. Got that. Good to go. Well, no, that'll be fine. Maybe I'll underline it or put it in a box or something, but for now, it's there. That's just some styling stuff. So, okay, we validated that. What else do I have to do? Let's just see it display. This way we don't have to keep checking MySQL because it's getting a little annoying. All right. I think this left join is what we need. Oh, what happened to all that? Did I get rid of it? Oh, here we go. Yeah, okay, so go back to MySQL. We're just going to use this left join. Whoa. And this is going to be percent user ID s there. Maybe like that. Or maybe we'll do this just to make it clean. Okay. Then we are going to append. I shouldn't have this to look at. Okay, so we're going to query select star from portfolios, and we know this works because I have, already run it. And we've got Peter Parker, so we're going to make sure we get okay. I just want to make sure the portfolio is returned properly, and then we can do we will have to do a stock class. Models, import stock. And let me open up. I've just got this old assignment I did that I can use to look at. Oh, right. Okay. So actually, might actually do this a little differently because, yeah, I need to save a stock class to the portfolio. So self dot, maybe just portfolio stock. I don't know. Portfolio stock equals none. So we're going to have, well, this will be an instance of a stock. So I guess we would do it as a, I gotta think. No, I need to make it a list of stocks attached. So this needs to be a list, portfolio stocks. Let me look at something else here. Gosh, I'm trying to think of an example where I had save a list because I know how to append, but every instance of a portfolio is going to have a list of stocks to put in it. Shoot. Let's see. I know I have an example of this somewhere. I just cannot remember where I did it. All right, this is how I'm just going to follow this format and see what happens here. So for row and results, this is all good. I'm actually going to get rid of this because I don't know where I'm going to need to probably check some sort of error. Set myself up for failure here. Okay. Okay, so every portfolio is obviously a row. It's really not. It's this many to many that's throwing me off a little bit here. Let me take a look at. Well, actually, let me just do this. Let's just even see what the heck. Let me see what this actually gives me real quick. I just want to see. Well, it's going to give me, I mean, I already know what it's going to give me. It's going to give me each one of these rows. All right, there's something wrong because it thinks I don't have any results. So let's see. Oh, geez, this should be user ID. I should fix it. Yeah. Okay, great. So then we get back. Yeah, so we get back all the objects, which is, it doesn't seem like there's that many, but I guess there is. So if I do, so let's see, it's a list of objects. So let's target the first object. Let's just say, okay, so this gives me one object. Now I want to see, what can I target? Can I target a stock? Or I guess it's not going to be stock, it's going to be dot. I'm almost wondering if it's easier if I just, since there's only 3 portfolios, if I just grab the 3 portfolios. Because then it'll return. No, that way it only returns 3 objects. Let's see what I did in this one assignment. Maybe this will be easier to look at. Just pull this thing over. This is something we did in boot camp where, well, this one is a little different because this had similar thing though, where each post, this is like a Facebook wall or something, like there's posts, and but this one's different because everyone can see them. In ours, there's obviously only one user, so this wouldn't be necessary. But every post, see, yeah, so post can have multiple comments. So how do we set this one up? Post is an empty list. Yep. Oh yeah, that's not necessary. New post equal list, post dot append, new post. Yeah, that totally makes sense. Then user data, which you don't need. Also don't need that. Just haven't done this whole thing with left join enough to really be super comfortable yet with it. Let's try something like this. Let's just see. For row in results, we will do portfolios dot append. We want that. Then I want to make this stock data, which this is what I was thinking originally, but stock data. And that's pretty simple. There's not much. There's just the ID. Oh gosh, this is where I just get this many-to-many thing is like, well, let's just fill it out. Let's see. Jeez. And this is going to be stocks.id. And then there is a name, ticker, created at, updated at. Okay. Because there's multiple names, so we need that. Nope. It's gonna have to be stocks.created at. Okay, and then the way we did it here was a stock equals stock.stock. So it's a class, and then we pass in the stock data. Totally makes sense. So We have an instance of a stock. Can't just do this. This does have to be, or no, wait, I can do that. That's fine. Can I? Let's see. No, I can't. So it needs to be yes. And then we append a portfolio, and that way we can append it then down here with, let's see, what do we do here? It was, yes, a portfolio dot stock. I know, portfolio stocks. Yep. And then we can append a stock to it. Just not sure if it's going to work because this is going to return multiple portfolios, which is why I'm a little not thinking this is going to work. But we'll just see what we get. Wow, that is shocking. But again, see, we just get all the portfolios, which isn't helpful. So I am honestly not positive how to do this. Actually, I want to see something here. What the heck? Okay. So the first object gives me a 7, which I'm guessing is this. Which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So index 5 is going to give me an 8. But what I'm not sure is, so does that mean I can just do a okay. But can I do that? That's what I'm not sure of. And I can't, because I can only access or do I have to do something like this? No, that does nothing. Okay. All right, I'll probably have to do some more investigation here because I've just never done them I know how to join them. I just have no idea how to. I wonder if I can just do. Or actually, maybe this is all just, no, because I only have. This is what I feel like I might just do. I mean, I shouldn't have to do each portfolio itself. It's just. I could do something like. If so it's portfolio. So if row ID, well, I guess we should make sure we're doing portfolios.id. If portfolios.id is equal to portfolios / stocks. No, not .id, but portfolio ID. So if those are equal, whoops, those are equal, then we will so I think I actually need to do this first. I need to get this stock data up here because I may or may not need that. So if these are equal, then we will, well, I also need this up there too. So what I was thinking here is then we do climb too hard. If these are equal, then we'll append the stock to the portfolio. What I'm struggling with is how to make it like the how if I have portfolio 789 by ID anyway. I could do something like a -1. See, no matter what, I'm going to have the 3 portfolios separated out. Oh, man. I just really don't know how to do that. I don't even know how to do it to make it say 3 portfolios on the front here. And what if there's not 3 portfolios? I'm thinking I almost want to run 2 queries. And do something like this, like, well, actually, what I could do, since I already have this, I can use the too many portfolios, actually. Oh, no, I can't because it's got that length thing. I'm sure this should be cleaner, but for now, I'm just going to type it in. See here, what I can do is, and then I just need to do for results 1. So this will give me the portfolio IDs in order. This stock date is the same. Please hold. Can I do... I don't use group by that often. Does this work if I do? Oh, here we go. Can I do select star from portfolios where user ID equals 3? Does that work? No, you have to only select, but can I do name? See, I need an instance though. Like I need a whole object. Can I do like? No, so you can literally only do. See, my issue with this is just giving me I don't need, I only need one instance of the portfolio. But I do need the stock data. So I'm just like, I really have no idea. Oh, I guess I could do this. I could just get rid of this. Because that will just be, because this is just going to give me, yeah, okay, hold on, maybe. Okay. So I now have, there's no longer portfolio IDs, just portfolio, say portfolio classes, I guess. I don't know. So this is going to return, so this is giving me, let me just make sure, select star from portfolios where user ID equals that, blah, blah, blah. Portfolio classes for line in results one, portfolio classes append. Okay, so now I have all three classes and they're always in order. So now what I can say on this is when I go to get all the stock data, because I have this, I don't think I can use that. Portfolio stocks, I don't know, data. Man, I start running out of stuff to do here. For row in results 2, so every row here is going to have a stock attached to it. I actually don't even know that I need left joins because I can't have stocks without portfolios now that I think about it. So, but whatever, it's not going to matter. Here's the stock data. We make an instance of the stock. If portfolio classes ID, so I don't even need that. Or no. Wait, shoot, let me think. Yes. All right, so 789, if portfolios classes ID equals now the row data with the join table, portfolio ID, then Okay, let me actually back up. We can actually call this portfolios now because there isn't another one anymore. Right? That's fine, but yep, that's exactly what we want. Okay. Oops. I'm going to take this. Okay, back to where we started with that. That's fine. Then I don't know if these are even still working, my headphones. But then if these are equal, if this is true, whoa. Then we append that stock. Oh shoot, but how's it gonna now? A portfolio. Man. I'm feeling close. I just need to let this, it needs to know which one of these. Because this is a list now, I can't just target it with. Come on. Can't use this anymore because it's a. What if I do? Seems like way too much, like way too complicated. But for I in range of portfolios. I think I'm just gonna have to take a break, come back, and figure out. Sorry, this is overly complicated for the. I know this can't be this complicated. Too many ifs and for loops going on. So we'll figure that, and then I'll come back and share how we did it.